What's up guys, and welcome to the first ever tutorial of programming in Java using Eclipse. And in this tutorial it's all about Hello World. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is go to your dock and press Eclipse. Okay, I can press OK, but before I even do that I need to press browse and choose a working space. I can go right to the bottom, click on this, and then press this, and after that press open. Then I can say OK. And now I can get rid of this, get rid of that, take this to full screen, press workbench. And now I can go right to the top left, press new, all the way to Java project. And we can name this something like my first ever project. I'll just stick to Hello World. And then press finish. Click this, right click this and press, or not even press, click on class. We can just say Hello World as a class name. Then we can go right to the bottom and press this as well, click on finish. And now we can go into the main program and type in system.out. So system.out dot println. So println, your parentheses, you can also close that off, speech marks, and say Hello World. And now we can execute this and see what happens. Okay, and there you go, it says Hello World on the screen. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.